How to scan a picture of a QR code. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code that's actually on your device, so your phone or computer. Maybe someone emailed you a QR code or you took a picture of it somewhere. I'll show you how to easily scan that QR code on any device. So first, if you took a picture of the QR code, open up the QR code and you might see a little box that looks like that. If you select that and then select the QR code, it will allow you to open up that QR code so you can see what the contents is. So that's a web address. And if I select that, it'll take me to that actual website. Now, if you don't have a picture of a QR code, it's just something that somebody sent you, take a screenshot of that QR code. And then once you take a screenshot, open up your browser and navigate to QRCodeGadget.com. Now, full disclosure, this is a website I created, but I created it because I wanted to be able to recommend a tool that doesn't upload your QR codes to any servers. So any images that you select of your QR code are not uploaded to our servers. All the decoding of the QR codes is performed within the browser on your phone using JavaScript. And check the description, I'll have a link down there. Once you get to QRCodeGadget.com, select QR code decoder and then choose image and find the image that you took of a QR code. So I'm going to do photo library and then I'll find it right there and I'll select done. So give it some time to process. And then once you see code decoded successfully, you can see the contents of it right there, and you can copy it and just paste that into a browser. Or if it was like a Wi-Fi network or something like that, you'd be able to get all the information out of that. So that's how you scan a QR code that's actually on your phone, or scan a picture of a QR code. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.